Bird, bird,
Recording
bird. The bird is the word. Bird, bird, bird. The bird is the word.
Shut up.
Bird, bird. The bird is the word. I said, bird, bird, bird. The bird is the word. Bird, bird, bird. The bird is the word. Bird, bird, bird. The bird is the word.
Don't you know about the word bird? Everybody knows that the bird is the word.
Bird. The
Girl.
bird is the word. Where's the bird? The bird is the word.
Oh, I went the wrong way.
Oh, that away.
Hey, going that way.
You saw the shit across the street.
God damn it.
That's all that matters.
Guess what, you guys? I
Oh.
think it's time for a Radda blog.
Hey. What kind of introduction was that, Donald?
It's the bam.
Oh, you want a bam?
Yeah.
Alright, say it again. Do it again.
You know what, you guys? I think it's time for a Radda blog. Bam.
That is awesome.
Time for a lot of laughs and giggles.
What,
A
Donnell?
lot of laughs and giggles.
Laughs and giggles.
This is so lame.
Get off the camera then, Hunter.
Are you sleepy?
Tomorrow's Alumni Day at Eastmore Academy High School.
Alumnism.
We're gonna go.
Check that haircut. Yes, haircut. Okay, you guys, please don't fall asleep on us. No Z's. Second, pay attention.
Oh, I'm
No Z's. Falling asleep.
or you get one of these.
If you give us some Z, if you give us some Z's, you'll get one of these.
Punch! Punch! Yes!
Bam!
So what are we talking about today?
Lil Wayne got 8 Grammy nominations.
Hey.
What the fuck?
Not.
We don't approve. Why did he get that? That's today's not, okay?
Today's-
We're not impressed. We're not impressed.
Is
I
that-
like the
is
Carter
that
3,
stem
but
cells?
I mean, where?
That above the bam.
I don't know. Oh, it's like confetti.
Oh.
New Year's plans.
Right. Any plans for New Year's? A lot of parties. A lot of confetti.
Yeah, we're going to hotel.
Oh, hotel. Yes.
Party!
Hilton. Drinkage.
Yeah, we're gonna be drunk as hell.
What's the down thing?
Oh, it like takes the camera down, like it stops it.
Oh.
Yeah,
I thought it was going to be down.
like down.
All right. I feel like being.
So Lil Wayne is this week's not, and what's this week's hot? Donnell has his own apartment.
Hello, quick.
Yeah.
Yay.
Apartments. Work me.
Apartment.
Oh, Brandy's new album.
Yeah, Brandy's
I was
new
like, where's my
album.
thumb? There it is.
Oh, sorry. Brandy's new
It's
album.
up there. It's up there.
Brandy's new album.
Yes!
Slaps.
Hey!
Okay, we need to change the scenery.
Yes.
Okay, it's Christmas time.
Let's get in the fish tank for a sec.
Oh,
Oh, that's not a fish
no.
tank.
We're in the
No.
galaxy.
Okay.
Merry Hanukkah.
Happy holidays.
Hey, happy holidays.
don't want- A lot for.
Janelle is not here again. She's officially not a part of this vlog.
No, it's us three.
We just decided.
Everything I need.
And I.
Janelle went to Flint, Michigan this weekend.
Right. With her daughter in a skating rink. 1-year-old daughter. Get a hold on.
GHM.
Right. So that's
Da,
what
da,
she
da,
is.
da, da. She doesn't know.
We're probably just gonna put this on Facebook / YouTube.
Oh, is that a fish tank? What's that one?
Yeah, Christmas is coming up, and we just want to say, Happy birthday, Jesus.
Happy
birthday.
to you.
You're like, how old is Jesus?
Like a bajillion, dillion, duddin.
Yeah,
I don't know, I'm a
he's
Jew.
old.
He's
Yeah.
infected.
Hunter's a Jew. He's anti-Jesus.
We killed him. It's cool.
It's okay. We love you anyway.
We're gonna get banned.
We're about to get banned.
J/K.
JK.
No offense needed. You all have to confirm your birthday now, shit, to get on this YouTube video.
Right. It's gonna be like confirm that you're 18.
Ooh, my eyebrow slaps. Look at it.
Donald's eyebrow slap.
Yes. No archage. No archage.
Me neither.
Natural
I don't
itch.
arch my shit.
Look at this bush.
You have Jew eyebrows.
Yes, I do.
Jew eyebrow.
What?
Get off my
Hunter's
phone.
phone number is 6142. No, I'm not gonna tell.
Dada 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 dada. Rada dada
He's
blog.
taken, and Jeff will beat your ass.
Yes. Censor last name.
Well, I'm clearly
Jeff.
not. So
Jeff.
get back home.
What? Yeah, so we're going back to Eastmore Academy. Eastmore Academy used to be really cool.
Not anymore because
Not
we
anymore.
graduated.
After 06 left, you know, it's just been one heap of this.
I was 07.
Except for Hunter's class. 07 was okay. Yeah. Okay, kind of. Sort of.
In a way.
But everybody's a highlight. You do. Your eyeballs are huge.
Alien.
Now everybody's pregnant.
Yeah, everybody's
Or
either
gay.
pregnant or gay. I mean, that's like the fad these
What the
days.
fuck are you doing, Sequoia? You're neither.
Right. Jump on the bandwagon.
Exactly.
Okay, I'll be both. How about that? You know, you can do that now, too.
Exactly.
I can be pregnant and gay. And just a big lesbian. But I love lesbians. Lesbians are cool.
They alright.
Just don't ask my phone number, because I'm not gay.
You did.
Except on Fridays.
Except when I go to Wall Street, then I'm gay. But other than that.
Just for a little bit.
What's the raindrops? Is that a teardrop? Sad.
Over my face, bro.
Sorry, we have a cool new camera and we're just
Trying out all the
trying
new
out all the
thingamajigs.
features. Oh.
OMG, cool.
Oh, that's so.
Cool.
We're about to get all Funhouse on you.
Oh, cool. Oh,
Funhouse. Fun. Ooh, I like this.
It was
Where am
like,
I?
Hunter left.
you have to get in the middle. There's Hunter.
It's two of everybody. I got the one.
You're so hot. There must be two of you. Boy, you got me having breakfast in the
Afternoon.
when you take my body.
Oh, well, you just making a one-person show.
Whoa.
I can't get it. Where am I at? Which direction do I move? Oh, wait.
There's Donald.
Oh,
Oh.
There we are.
Hunter's head is huge.
I'm so hot.
Must be two of you.
Said you got me making breakfast in the afternoon.
Okay, how do you take it off, guys?
Is that your cone head?
Okay. We're taking pictures.
Cavities.
Okay.
Rotted teeth.
We're gonna stop recording real quick because we gotta take pictures now. Right above.
We'll be back.